Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for stopping by as well. So today I'm going to be showing you guys, I filmed this look and I figured that a lot of people have been asking me on my Instagram, how do you fix your bottom lashes, how do you fix your lashes and all that good stuff. So I've decided to make a specific video just to tackle this question. And I hope you guys watch and enjoy it. If you have any further questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. And onto my next video. I love you guys. So if you want to find out how I fix my bottom lashes and learn that good stuff, then definitely keep on watching. If you want to find out how I achieved this beautiful look, then check the link, click the link in the description box to go to the video of my full face and eyeshadow application and all that stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until my next video, love you guys, bye. First and foremost, you need to know the length that you're comfortable with. I recently got this pack of lash. I got it for 1,500 naira, and I like it because it's not too long and neither is it too short. It fits perfectly, and they're about more than 50. Yeah, definitely more than 50, and they are reusable for as many times as possible. So if you want to get these lashes, you can quickly take a screenshot of what it looks like now, and don't forget it's in the number 20. So just check the internet for MSJ best quality lashes, and something that looks like this should come up in the number 20. So once you've done that, you just select. So what I normally do is I like to fix 5 on each eyes, and that makes it 10. So you bring out the 10 that you'll be using and use the lash glue. The lash glue that I love to use okay, let me just show you the items you would need. So you need your pack of lashes, you need the lash glue, and then you need the tweezer. So for lash glue, I like to use this classic lash glue because it's very good and then it holds on very well. This is a tweezer that I've been using for years, and this is just to help you apply the lashes. So you're just going to open it and pick the one you want to use. Like this. Make sure to hold it very well so that it doesn't fly off, and then you put the lash glue on the tiny lash band. Or also, just to create like extra volume, you can go ahead and apply some mascara, but because I always have issues with mascara application, especially on my bottom lashes, I like to skip it, but let's just apply a little. Please, your lashes stays the opposite way. When you're fixing your lashes, ideally it should be like this, but no, the curved side should come down because that's how your bottom lashes are. So you want to start from any angle you're comfortable with, put it beside your lash line, and that's it. It's as simple as that, guys. Do the same thing again. Pick another pair, apply lash glue. Can you see it's not even showing that I put anything because the length is just very ideal. Yeah, I've put this one. And that's basically how you fix your bottom lashes. I'll go off camera to apply the other one. Bye.